Alright, this is another video in the old Dodge Travco saga, whatever you want to call it. This is the back door. It has really been busted up. The hinge froze solid on it, and trying to open the door, it just really broke it up. It's in bad shape. So I'm getting ready to tear it down, and obviously I need to take a lot of pictures of it. The whole, excuse me while I turn it over here. The whole skin on it is basically come loose. Needs refiberglassed and straightened up. And I'm gonna have to go over on the body because the body has a radius in it. So I'm gonna have to hold that radius if I want the door to seal. So I'm gonna have to go over and take a plywood template or something and then try to glue it back together. But anyway, I'm just starting in on it.